Hi, hello everyone. This is Lena from Premier Team Real Estate, and I'm a realtor in Austin, Texas. Today, I'm standing in front of this house that I bought for my client, and it is located in the community called Highlands, Hutto. This community has Hutto school districts for middle school, high school, and elementary school. Its location is very close, which is about 25 minutes commute to the airport, and it is about 15 to 20 minutes to Round Rock, the Del Diamond, Kalahari Resort, the water park that just opened, and also very close to the Round Rock shopping center, as well as restaurant and entertainment. The house has 2-car garage, 2 stories, 4 bedroom and 2.5 baths. With beautiful open floor plan, loft and kitchen. So please come in. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I am here in the backyard in Hutto, and the house that I just toured you that has 2 stories, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it's about 2,500 square feet. So if you are looking for a house in Hutto or surrounding the Round Rock, Pflugerville, Georgetown, and Leander area, please contact me. My information will be at the end of the video. Thank you so much and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!